This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and positioning the machine. This is critical because alignment determines print fidelity. First, confirm voltage and a solid ground, then mount and level the carriage. Use a bubble or digital level for 0. 5 degrees accuracy. Once stable, strain the paint and adjust viscosity to the recommended range to prevent clogging. Make sure to attach the spray head and test its rotation manually. Doing these steps now avoids rework later and saves time on large panels. Now you calibrate movement and motor responses to ensure accurate prints. Start with a nozzle calibration pattern at half speed so you can spot overspray and missing lines. This shows how the machine lays down paint under load. Next, tweak X/Y offsets and Z clearance in 1/10 mm steps until edges are crisp. Once done, run a short test panel to check color saturation and adhesion. Make incremental changes, because small adjustments here yield large quality differences on final walls. You perform the final print with confidence, but stay attentive, especially for the first 10 minutes when errors reveal themselves. Start at planned speed and monitor for banding, color shifts, or drips. Intervene immediately if patterns deviate. After the run, flush the system thoroughly and clean filters to prevent blockages, then store any leftover paint correctly. If banding appears, check belt tension and nozzle wear, and verify stable pressure. Addressing those 3 fixes usually restores even coverage and consistent prints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.